The military has always relied on rigorous, hands-on training to prepare soldiers for the unpredictability of the battlefield. But as technology advances, a new question arises: can virtual reality be a viable alternative to traditional methods? To be fully combat ready, soldiers undergo extensive training to build both mental and physical resilience. They practice everything from basic combat drills and decision-making to navigating high-stress environments like urban warfare or difficult terrains. Traditionally, this involves months of field exercises, live-fire drills, and mock combat scenarios, approaches that come with high costs, significant risks, and require massive resources. Since its early days, VR has revolutionized military training. It's now used to simulate everything from aircraft operations to complex combat missions. Take the U.S. Air Force's Street Smart program, for example. It uses VR to recreate realistic security and combat scenarios. Trainees don VR headsets, confront battlefield situations, and even handle real-world replica weapons. This system saves 40 training hours per soldier annually while delivering highly effective training. VR offers several clear advantages. First, it provides realistic, repeatable training without the risks associated with live exercises. Soldiers can experience the stress and chaos of combat in a controlled environment without the fear of injury or death. Another major benefit is the ability to simulate conditions that would be too costly or dangerous to replicate in real life, like large-scale battlefield operations or chemical warfare scenarios. VR opens up new training possibilities, ensuring soldiers can prepare for extreme situations. VR is also a cost-effective solution. Traditional training often involves live ammunition, field exercises, and significant wear and tear on equipment. These methods are resource-intensive and logistically complex. In contrast, VR requires a one-time investment in hardware and software with minimal recurring costs, making it a more efficient way to maintain combat readiness. Militaries like the US and NATO allies have widely adopted VR for various types of training, from combat simulations to medical and mission planning. Its flexibility and cost-effectiveness make it an essential tool for modernizing military training across the globe. At JetSoftPro, we bring 20 years of software development expertise to the table and are ready to help you maximize the potential of VR in military training.